Hey ladies, it is Victoria, and as you can already tell by the title, today I will be sharing with you guys how to regrow your edges. Now, if you are newly subscribed or if this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome and thank you so much for joining me. But if you are already a subscriber of mine and you've watched my previous videos, then you've probably came across my video of the Carol's Daughter hair review in which it burned my hair. Now, I actually took that video down because I don't know, I felt like I was bad mouthing the company, but it was my true experience. So I'm gonna put it back up once I upload this video so you guys can see what happened, for those of you who never got a chance to see that video. But what happened is it literally burned my hair, and I actually had to go in and do a moisturizing mask with shea butter, and I had to do that over the course of a few months just to even get my hair back to being its normal texture. It was just dry and brittle. I think it was just maybe too much protein in it because it took off my edges, and that was something that I did not share with you guys. And I did not share that with you guys because we were doing the hair growth journey then, and I really didn't, well, it was for two reasons. One, I didn't want to discourage you guys because we were doing our hair growth journey, and two, I didn't really have a remedy yet. I knew what I had in mind, but I'd never had a situation where my edges had come off. So I didn't want to have you guys embark on something new with me that I wasn't sure was gonna work. But the good news is it worked. If you guys remember when I did my sleek ponytail video, it was a sleek ponytail with and without weave. I was really struggling trying to get my hair into a ponytail because I didn't have edges there. I just simply didn't have edges there. And I'm gonna actually leave a clip here for you guys to see where I was missing so much hair.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Did y'all see that? See you girls struggling? Struggling. The struggle was real. But not to worry, I have come up with a concoction that actually works, so you guys just stay tuned and I will show you guys what I did to grow my hair back.
Okay, so let's do this thing. The first thing you're going to need is aloe vera juice, tea tree oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil, and an aloe vera plant. Now, just to be clear with your essential oils, you want to make sure that they don't say for aromatherapy use only. And you also want to make sure that they don't contain any other ingredients outside of lavender, tea tree, and peppermint, like alcohols or jojoba oil and things like that. Now, my brand of choice for essential oils is Young Living, but I didn't have that in the tea tree. I only had it in the lavender and the peppermint. If you guys are interested on where to get these, I'll have a link for you in the description box. Oh, quick disclaimer. When you are handling the aloe vera plant, please make sure you use gloves. I don't know what type of pesticides they use on the aloe vera plant, but the taste of it is so strong once it gets into your hands, and it's so hard to wash off. So just make sure you use gloves when you're handling it. Okay, so all you want to do is just take a large knife and cut right into the center of the plant. It should look something like so. Now what you want to do is take the knife and cut off the top layer of the plant. Okay, so now that you've cut it open, you just want to take a spoon and scoop out the aloe vera gel and place that directly into a NutriBullet cup or into a blender. And look how slimy that is. But you're just going to take all of that gel, scoop it out with a spoon, and put that right into a blender cup or a NutriBullet cup. Now what you want to do is take your aloe vera juice and pour in just enough to cover the aloe vera gel. Next, you want to take your lavender and pour in about 5 drops of that. Now with your peppermint, you want to pour in about 5 drops of this as well. And now here with your tea tree oil, you just want to repeat the same steps. About 5 drops would do for this as well. Now don't ask me how I forgot about castor oil, but I did forget to mention it. But you want to also include castor oil in your mixture, and you want to use about 3 tablespoons of this. Finally, you just want to blend all of your ingredients together in a NutriBullet or a blender.
Alright ladies, so now that you know how to make the mixture, the way to apply the mixture is to just go in with your fingertips and scoop up the mixture and put it directly on the areas where you're missing hair. Now you want to make sure you massage that into the areas where you're missing hair for at least 10 minutes. Now it's going to be really sticky, well I'm sorry, it's going to be really slimy, and it's going to seem like it's not really penetrating at first. That's why you really have to rub it in so your scalp can absorb those nutrients. Now once you've done that for about 10 to 15 minutes, you want to put a plastic cap on over your head, and you want to leave that on for about an hour. You can leave it on longer, but what happens is it just gets really itchy from my experience. But if you can leave it on longer, leave it on longer. And then once you're done, just go and rinse it with water. You don't have to shampoo it out. You could just rinse it off with water, and you want to repeat these steps as often as possible, at least every day. I hope you guys try it out. Let me know how it works for you. And for those of you who are going to be curious about where I got this necklace, because I know you guys are going to ask me, I got this necklace from Lux Jewelry. I absolutely love their store. So they have an online store. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. And as usual, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.